सूर्य नमस्कार 12 आसनास का कॉम्बिनेशन है जिसमें फॉरवर्ड बेंड है, बैक बेंड है, हिप ओपनर भी है एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट आर्म स्ट्रेंथनिंग एंड कोर स्ट्रेंथनिंग आसनास भी हैं. सो बेसिकली इट हैज़ ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग जो एक कंप्लीट योगा क्लास में होना चाहिए. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Hello everyone, welcome to Yog Bela. I am Preeti. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. दिवाली का टाइम है, हम इसे बहुत सारे लोग ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं एंड जो लोग घर पर हैं वो लोग भी दिवाली की प्रिपरेशंस में बिजी हैं. इन सब के बीच में वर्कआउट के लिए तो टाइम ही नहीं है. एक ऐसी सीक्वेंस चाहिए जो हमें 10 मिनट में फुल बॉडी वर्कआउट फील करवा दे. तो ऐसी एक सिस्टमैटिक सीक्वेंस है सूर्य नमस्कार. तो सूर्य नमस्कार के 12 आसनों को एक एक करके समझते हैं. कीप योर फीट टुगेदर, बैलेंस द बॉडी वेट इक्वली ऑन बोथ फीट, स्टैंडिंग अपराइट. नाउ जॉइन योर palms in front of the chest for the first asana in Surya Namaskar sequence, Namaskarasana. Become aware of the whole body as one unit and breathe normally in this pose. Inhale, extend your arms up for second asana, Hast Uttana. If comfortable here, bend back and go deeper in the pose. Still comfortable, go even deeper. Now I'll share the technique to get into the pose. Follow each instruction carefully. Extend your arms up, knees bent, hips forward and look straight. If you are comfortable, look up to the ceiling. Reason to push hips forward is to keep lower back safe. In exhalation, bend forward with the proper length in your spine in Padahastasana. Make sure you are bending from the hip. If you have high blood pressure, you can stay halfway. If you are comfortable, you can go deeper in the pose. To deepen your pose, exhale and pull your abdomen in. Also, you can keep your knees slightly bent if your hamstrings are too tight. Now let's see how it is done. Inhale, right leg back to Ashwasanchalanasana. Ashwa means horse. Feel yourself like a horse, highly active and alert position. Look straight. Push your right heel back to straighten your right leg. Left knee, left ankle in one line. Left knee, left hip in one line parallel to the floor. Exhale, left leg back to fifth pose, Falakasana or plank. Shoulder and wrist in one line. Feel the engagement of core and look ahead. Hold your breath, drop your knees, chest and chin down in Ashtanga Namaskara. Coming onto your toes and elbows hugging your rib cage. Ashta means 8, Anga means limbs. 8 limbs in contact with the floor. Chin, palms, chest, knees and feet. With an inhalation sliding to Bhujangasana, it is baby Bhujanga. Shoulders rolled back. You are using only mid-back strength to lift your chest up. Even if you take your palms off the floor, your chest should stay at same height. Exhale to Parvatasana. Palms shoulder width apart, feet hip width apart, shoulders externally rotated, gaze either at your navel or at your knees. Sitting bone pointing up to the sky. If you have a rounded spine, you can keep your knees slightly bent and work on the lengthening of spine. Keep your fingers wide open. Inhale, right foot forward to Ashwasanchalan. Exhale, left forward, Padahasta. Inhale, extend your arms forward, biceps in line with your ears, same length in your spine. Slowly come up, knees bend, push your hips forward, bend back. Exhale, with the same length in your spine, bend forward to Padahasta. Inhale, left leg back, Ashwasanchalan. Keeping your hip at same level, send your right leg back. Hold your breath, Ashtang. Inhale, scoop up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, hip up, Parvatasana. Inhale, left foot forward, Ashwasanchalan. Exhale, right, Padahasta. Inhale, extend your arms forward. Slowly come up, knees bent, hips forward, bend back. Exhale, palms to the chest center, Namaskarasana. And release your arms down. Now, if you are clear with the instructions, get onto your mat and practice one round with me. Feet together, palms to the chest center, knees bent, hips forward, extend your arms up, Hasta Uttana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Hold your breath, Ashtang. Inhale, scoop up, Bhujanga. Exhale, hip up, Parvatasana. Inhale, right foot forward. Exhale, left forward. Inhale, slowly come up, push your hips forward, bend back. Exhale, bend forward to Padahasta. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right. Hold your breath, Ashtanga. Inhale, scoop up. Exhale, hip up. Inhale, left foot forward. Exhale, right forward. Inhale, extend your arms forward, biceps in line with your ears. Slowly bend back. Exhale, palms to the chest center to Namaskarasana. Slowly relax and observe your breath. हर योगा स्कूल की सूर्य नमस्कार सीक्वेंस में थोड़ा बहुत अंतर होता है. मैंने खुद 3 जगह से सीखा है, बट पर्सनली मुझे ये वाला सीक्वेंस पसंद है बिकॉज ये मेरे लोअर बैक को एंड नीज को कम्प्लीटली सेफ रखता है. आई होप आपने इस ट्यूटोरियल में कुछ तो नया सीखा होगा. इफ़ येस, please like the video and share your experience in the comment section. I wish you a very happy and safe Diwali. See you next Wednesday. Thank you. Bye-bye.